Hey guys, okay, so we are on Tuesday, November 17th. So, what you are going to do today, first thing, I need for you to check this sheet, okay? So, number 6, it got wider because it was a 2/3 slope. 7 is actually not an absolute value equation, so don't worry about that one. Number 8, it went right, so opposite 1, right 1, and up 2. Number 9, it got skinnier because of this 3. And then it went backwards 2, so left 2. This one, it flipped upside down because of the negative. It got wider because of the 0.5. It did a backwards 1, so left 1, and up 7. How does K affect the graph? Remember, this is Y equals A or M, X minus H plus K. So K is on the end. K is the Y value, so it goes up or down. How does H affect it? H is the X value, but it's opposite, so we do opposite and then right or left. And then how does the sign and the absolute value of A affect the graph? So if it's negative, it goes down, positive goes up. If it's from 0 to 1, the slope is 0 to 1, it will be wider. If it's greater than 1 for the slope, it'll be skinnier. Okay, what you are going to do now is after you've checked yourself on that, you are going to complete these, I think there's just 6. Oh, no, there's 12. These 12 problems, okay? And we're going to do the first one together. So we're going to graph this. So this does opposite of negative 2. So opposite of left 2 would be right 2. And then it goes down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The slope is still 1 over 1, so I'm going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and then I'm going to mirror image that. I am going to then connect that. So I want you to draw the graphs. Then what I want for you to do is I want you to list the vertex. Remember, the vertex is this guy. So the vertex of that was over 2, down 4. The vertex just comes from this guy. Opposite this, keep this. Opposite a negative 2 is a positive 2. Keep that as a negative 4. You are going to have a Schoology assignment where I'm going to ask you certain questions on this homework assignment. And you're going to input the answers. So you need to finish all 12 problems and then go to that Schoology assignment. And then that is your homework. Whatever you don't finish in class is homework on here. Hopefully you finish this in class though. Then Wednesday, tomorrow is Wednesday. So tomorrow you guys will have a quiz. That quiz will be open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Once you start it, you cannot stop it. Do not walk away. It'll turn in after the 60-minute time limit that's on it. Do not cheat on that quiz. Do that quiz on your own. And make sure that you have done your homework prior to taking that quiz. All right, thanks guys.